wrap up the topic today by discussing two simple things, that is conversion of galvanometer into first ammeter, okay, and then voltmeter. That will complete the topic. And there is one small little concept given which is called as thermoelectric effect. Students, it's very simple actually, and not important because it's given in yellow column. Okay, this is the main part of the topic. Galvanometer is a highly sensitive instrument. You are already aware of that. Galvanometer can be used as ammeter as well as a voltmeter, no doubt. Ammeter is an instrument used to measure current. We cannot use galvanometer to directly measure current because it's highly sensitive and the coil will get damaged. So it is necessary that galvanometer has to be converted into ammeter, because you cannot use it directly to measure current because it's a delicate instrument, highly delicate instrument and highly sensitive also. Therefore, there is necessity to convert galvanometer into an ammeter. Reason why galvanometer should be converted into an ammeter. First point, galvanometer, students, it can measure small currents. Large currents will damage the coil. Since it can measure only small currents, its resistance should be increased. Why? Because it is connected in series. Okay? If it is basically ammeter, galvanometer, if it is used as an ammeter, always since childhood you know that ammeter is always connected in series with the circuit to measure current. Okay? If it is measured in series with the circuit, if large current flows to the galvanometer, the pointer will move out of the scale, the coil will get damaged. Therefore, there is a need to increase its resistance. म्हणजे समजा आपण जर त्या गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटरचं मुळात आपण जर त्याचं इफ यू ट्राय टू इंक्रीज द रेजिस्टन्स अँड ट्राय टू कंट्रोल द करंट, दॅट विल बी मोर दॅन इनफ. ठीक आहे, काय पॉइंट क्लिअर करायचं की यू कॅनॉट use a galvanometer to directly measure current. It needs to be converted into an ammeter. Reason? Because ammeter is not highly sensitive and ammeter can measure larger currents. Galvanometer cannot measure larger currents because the coil will be burnt off. How to convert? See the circuit. This is a circuit which contains a resistance R. Okay. I is the supply current. This is a simple galvanometer of resistance G. It is connected with a low resistance called as shunt resistance. Low लाच shunt म्हणतात. Low resistance च्या value ला shunt म्हणतात. Shunt resistance. In parallel. I is the supply current here. Ig, let Ig gets divided here. It undergoes branching. Let Ig be the current through the galvanometer of resistance G. Is be the current flowing through the shunt. मुलांनो, important काय? Galvanometer is connected in parallel with the shunt. का? To हे पूर्ण जे device आहे, that is an ammeter. Why galvanometer is connected with a low resistance, that is shunt? Lesser the resistance, the supply current पैकी सगळे करंट्स आहे बघा. आता हे सप्लाय करंट आहे. I is the supply current. If all the current will flow through the galvanometer coil will be burnt off because it's highly sensitive. It cannot tolerate more current. But if you connect a low resistance in parallel across it, what will happen is I will be divided here. Partly current will flow through the galvanometer and remaining current, that is excessive current, will flow through the shunt. Maximum current will flow through the shunt. The coil will be protected since minimum current is flowing through the galvanometer and maximum current through the shunt, means the coil will be protected here and shunt resistance low असल्यामुळे जास्तीत जास्त ती करंट स्वतःकडे ओढून घेणार. That's it. And this assembly is called ammeter. म्हणजे here we are measuring large current. How? Not directly by using galvanometer. हे circuit आहे, असं it's only a temporary circuit. We are supplying a large current. A large current will come out here. म्हणजे ही पूर्ण assembly हा voltmeter which consists of galvanometer in parallel with a low resistance. का? कारण एक तरी करंट I measure होईल. Only part of current Ig will flow through the galvanometer, which will protect it, and remaining excessive current will flow through the shunt. म्हणजे ओव्हरऑल करंट या असेंब्ली मध्ये पूर्ण करंट I मेजर होणार. ओके, फ्रॉम द सर्किट इट्स व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट दिस असेंब्ली of galvanometer connected with a low resistance called as shunt resistance in parallel is called as ammeter. कारण galvanometer directly current I मोजू शकत नाही, as the pointer will move out of the scale and the coil will be burnt off. Circuit बघा, see how simple it is. Total potential difference is the potential difference across galvanometer plus potential across the shunt. कळतं? Total potential difference, Ohm's law. Potential difference across the galvanometer is Ig multiplied by G. G is the resistance मुलांनो, notation symbol नाही आहे ते, plus Is is the shunt multiplied by S. कळतं? घ्या बघूया. हाँ, Ig total voltage, टोटल व्होल्टेज म्हणून इथं 1 मिनिट. हे असं डायरेक्ट घेण्यापेक्षा मी तुम्हाला एक स्टेप शिकवते इथं. हे बाकी इट्स ओके. Ig इज द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द गॅलव्हनोमीटर, Is इज द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द शंट. या पूर्ण असेंब्लीचं नाव काय? एमीटर. डायरेक्ट सांगतोय, गॅलव्हनोमीटर इज इन पॅरलल विथ शंट, पोटेंशियल डिफरन्स रिमेन्स सेम. इन पॅरलल पोटेंशियल डिफरन्स रिमेन्स सेम, meaning potential across the galvanometer is equal to potential across the shunt. What is the potential difference across the galvanometer? Current multiplied by resistance. Shunt, current multiplied by resistance. Correct? Okay. Now, total current I is equal to what? Current through the shunt plus galvanometer. Correct? Current through the shunt plus the galvanometer. Okay. Next, concentrate here. Students, घ्या बघूया. आता what is Is? Or we'll put it like this. What is Ig? What is Ig, students? It is I minus Is. ठीक है? Substitute here. What is Ig? Substitute here. I minus Is into G is equal to Is into S. Any problem? करते? Therefore, what is shunt resistance then? It is G. What is shunt resistance? G into I minus Is divided by Ig is what? I minus Is. I hope you agree. G into I minus Is divided by Is. This is the current. This is the expression for the shunt resistance. करते? Is it okay? That's it. Is shunt resistance से expression मिला. I'll repeat it. Since both are in parallel, voltage across the galvanometer is equal to shunt. Ig into G, potential difference remains the same. Total current I is partly through the shunt plus galvanometer. Ig is equal to I minus Is. घाला हो गया. I minus Is. That's it. Is it okay? So what is S here? I minus Is into G divided by Is. Are you okay here? Here's our shunt resistance मुलांनो. Now, let me tell you, if you put it like this, if the total current is n times the current through the shunt, म्हणजे रेंज जर मला वाढवायची असेल n टाइम्स केली मी, तर I ची व्हॅल्यू घाला. Therefore, what will be S here? It will be G. I is NIS minus IS divided by S. What do we get here? S is equal to G into N minus 1. G into N minus 1. का? IS कॉमन काढला, कॅन्सल करून टाकलं. कळतंय? G into N minus 1. माझा पॉइंट इथे सांगायचं काय माहितीये, समजा रेंज 4 टाइम्स वाढवली तर शंट वुड बी G into 4 minus 1 3G, शंट 3 times G घ्यायचं, like that. N is the range, what it may be, पूर्ण पॉइंटर 0 to 10 मिली एम्पियर असेल, 0 to 100 मिली एम्पियर असेल ती व्हॅल्यू 100 10, किंवा समजा 0 to 200 मिली एम्पियर्स असेल तर N is 200. कळतंय? मग तेवढं शंट तुम्हाला वापरावं लागणार आणि तेवढं शंट पॅरलल मध्ये जोडावं लागणार. दॅट्स इट. इज इट ओके? इज इट फाईन विथ यू? दॅट इज हाऊ. म्हणजे एवढं लक्षात घ्या, एंड ऑफ द डे गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर being sensitive cannot be directly used to measure current, hence its resistance needs to be decreased. हाँ का? कारण पार्टली करंट जर गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर मधून फ्लो झाला तर coil will remain safe and maximum current will be drawn from the shunt and पूर्ण ह्या असेंबली मध्ये गडबडीत टोटल करंट I can be measured. That's it. कळतंय? This is how your galvanometer can be connected to measure current. Now conversion. Next part. Conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. नीट आहे का? Galvanometer can be measured, used to measure current as well as potential difference, but not directly. थोडीशी मॉडिफिकेशन्स आणावी लागतात. इथं काय करूया स्टुडंट्स, we will to convert galvanometer. You know that galvanometer is an instrument always connected in parallel with the circuit. बरोबर? सर्किट मध्ये कधी पॅरलल मध्ये जोडलेला असतो टू मेजर पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. कारण ॲमेटर हा कधी सिरीज मध्ये जोडला जातो आणि गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर हा कधी पॅरलल मध्ये जोडला जातो. आर यू ओके? इफ इट इज कनेक्टेड इन पॅरलल सगळी करंट गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर सोडून घेणार. अगेन टू मेजर लार्ज पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स द गॅलव्हॅनोमीटर कॉइल विल गेट डॅमेज. म्हणून मुळात त्याचं रेझिस्टन्सच वाढवूया. कळतंय? कळतंय कोणाला? ह्या पूर्ण असेंब्लीला आपण हे पूर्ण असेंब्ली अशी घ्या. हे आर त्याचं रेजिस्टन्स वाढवलंय. दिस इज दिस असेंब्ली आणि हा एक एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टन्स विच इज आर. दिस असेंब्ली इज अ वोल्टमीटर. आई रिपीट, to measure current, to measure potential difference, galvanometer is always connected in parallel to a circuit. R dash here parallel जोडलं. समजा if I is the supply current, students, if I is the supply current, then maximum current will flow through the galvanometer because its resistance is less. It is a weak instrument. Coil will be get damaged. Therefore there is a need to increase the resistance of the galvanometer because जर galvanometerचं resistance मी assembly वाढवलं तर minimum current will flow through here, maximum current will flow through the resistor and that is how you can, म्हणजे इथून maximum current flow होणार external circuit जो काय असेल तो. If I increase basically the resistance of the galvanometer, maximum current will flow through the external circuit, minimum current will flow through the galvanometer. Coil will be protected from getting damaged. Ata, how is G and R connected? In series. If Ig is the current through the galvanometer, same amount of current will flow through resistance. This is external circuit, students. हे तुम्ही नाही दाखवलं म्हणून चालतं. कळतंय? ओके. आता सर्किट बघा. टोटल पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स V is equal to what? Potential difference across galvanometer plus potential difference across the resistor. This is that resistor which is connected in series to protect it. कारण जर सिरीज याचं रेजिस्टन्स जर वाढवलं गॅलव्हॅनोमीटरचं तर त्याच्यातून मिनिमम करंट फ्लो होणार. मग बाकीची करंट कुठे गेली? एक्सटर्नल सर्किट. आय एम नॉट कॉलिंग इट ॲज रेजिस्टन्स आर, आय एम कॉलिंग इट ॲज एक्सटर्नल सर्किट. स्टुडंट्स, हा एक्सटर्नल सर्किट आहे. ओके. हां, सो टोटल पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स V इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट? Current voltage is Ig into G plus IG into R. सिरीज मध्ये असल्यामुळे करंट इज सेम. ओके, कॉमन इज व्हॉट? V इज इक्वल टू IG into G plus R. Or tell me what is IG? Or we'll put it like this. What is G? किंवा IG is equal to what? V divided by G plus R. Are you okay? हाँ, हे वापरायचं. Now what is total potential difference here? It is, or we'll put it like this. What is G equal to Vg upon Ig, आणि मग आपण modify करूया. This is how we calculate the current through the galvanometer or total potential difference. कळतं students? Is it okay? That is how you do here. हाँ? I'll repeat what I said and we will stop. म्हणजे the topic itself will get over, students. Nothing new here. Listen carefully. Conversion of galvanometer into a voltmeter. To measure potential difference always, galvanometer needs to be connected in parallel with a circuit. हा circuit है. If it is connected in parallel and if total current I is supplied to the galvanometer, त्याच्यातून जास्त करंट फ्लो होणार. ह्याचा रेजिस्टन्स कमी असेल तर जास्त करंट फ्लो झाली की कॉइल विल गेट डॅमेज. पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स मेजर करायचं तर सोडूनच द्या. म्हणून what we'll do, we will increase the resistance of the galvanometer. This, when a resistance R is connected with the galvanometer of resistance G, ह्या assemblyला voltmeter म्हणतात. If you increase the resistance of the galvanometer, students, minimum current will flow through the galvanometer, remaining current will flow here. Minimum current means the coil will be protected from getting damaged and तुम्हाला voltage आराम से measure होतं. कळतंय? Total potential difference is series connection असल्यामुळे potential difference across galvanometer plus the resistance which is connected in series. हे external circuit आहे. परत सांगायला लागलंय. Okay? You need not consider this. हाँ, Ig into G series असल्यामुळे current will flow the same. Ig into R common काढला. That's it. Ig into G plus R. Or what do we get here? Our current through the galvanometer is V divided by G plus R. Got it, students? That's it. Is it okay here? Fine. For today I will stop. Tomorrow I'll begin with थोडंसं Seebeck effect and thermoelectric effect घेते आणि मग we'll start with the section 1 third topic, kinetic theory of gases. ठीक आहे? It's a simple one. ते पण fast होईल. हाँ, thermodynamics ला थोडासा वेळ लागणार. Okay? We will stop, students.